Wagwan ENT.
I promised you we're going to move from the realm of stars into the realm of superstars, because this is Border Clash 1990. Earlier on you told me that St. Catherine was ahead by far, right? To know her, if you're hard to call, you must be in Kingston 11. He's from. Let's welcome Ninja! Ninja!
Well, hold on. Take time. Take time. Kingston people, clean on a gun. St. Catherine people, clean on a gun. Original front teeth, gold teeth, gun pun teeth, brush teeth with toothpaste, dan dog and talk. Come here, boy. No time to waste, man. Benna, no one. Now no listen to the Dan. Me tell you, competition done. Competition done. Me tell you, jump up like people call the competition done. Me tell you, competition done. Competition done. No one jump up like people call competition done. Don't think me Uncle I enter alone for Kingston. No one is St. Catherine man. Them jump up and down me. Enter for Jamaica, so who know fun? I want to jump around that dog. And me tell you, competition done. Competition. Me tell you, jump around and hold on. Nah by none. Shop by ranking, talk about me pay. Don't me tell none, nah by none. Nah by none, me ya. Tell you none now, say me nah by none, me nah. By no woman, pump me and no come back. Tell you about the woman, them you know we sell them sitting up New Kingston, they know them, sell them bottom, sell them out and little up that them salt, sell them tongue. Me say, push up your hand, you now, sell your bottom, you now, sell nothing for them. Hold on. People, uno put me where me there. Kingston, uno put me where me there. Without the whole Jamaica Ninjamann would be nothing. So a big up on the chest card and gog and come. You see? Anyway, take time. Yeah, hear me? Maybe gonna just ease back the liquid and not come so near, yeah? Do. Now a while ago, me there, me a man come in and sing some calypso. And some buckle throw in. And as me see that, me want to tell you something. Get low, sit down. All of the front time, I want to just sit down. Make the people them up up front. Run back. Want to see me now? Come road, boy! This is my telegram to every entertainer, telling them Ninjamann is taking over. And I'm coming home. Me say no movie like boom, 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 boom. Because me pull up at the style, with style. I'm a go kill on with stamina. Because me tell you that I'm new to the chat, new to what we chat. Tell the world that they make it a new to what we chat. Me tell you new to the chat, new to what we chat. Tell the world that they make it a new to what we chat. Because this your lyric to say it's no bad friend. It's a fly out of the new to what my friend. It's a the old and the new lyric. And this are the mama. Oh, this are the mama. Hold on. Give thanks and praises. Cause Mandela survive. Not to the 27 year of operation. We tell no Mandela still alive. We give all of the praise to the Father. Where you the heaven and earth the Creator. That's why me ball Mandela come. Mandela come. Me want to jump up that because me tell no Mandela come. Mandela come. Me want. 90s. Follow Derek, man. Phenomenon no one. No listen to the Dan. Me a the Dan Gagan. Black people, me tell you give thanks and praises. Cause Mandela survive. Not to the 27 year of operation. Me tell you Mandela still alive. We give all of the praise to the Father. We are the heaven and earth the Creator. That's why we ball Mandela come. Mandela come. We want to jump up the people cause Mandela. We tell you Mandela come. Mandela come. We want to jump around because Mandela come. You know the luckiest pussy me see under Jadison and the boy named Buddha will go. Mandela come down. No me a bad boy a party too, but if the pussy see that will be shut him down. Me telling them Mandela come. Derek, get a little bit mad for me now. Let me tell you something, man. Mama, where they get me from the Catanme? Papa, where they get me from the Catanme? Me tell them, Mama, where they get me from the Catanme? Papa, where they get me from the Catanme? Say, another me. No, me not suck, no pussy, say, another me. No, me not fuck, nobody say, another me. No, put me mouth on down, no lady, bro. Ninja, hold on. Come, sir. Let me tell you, me never died for me read 21 word and turn a pussy sucker. Me never died for me read 21 word and turn a batty fucker. That's why me tell you something, nah bow down, nah bow down. Me have tell the whole of them, nah bow down. Me tell them, nah bow down, nah bow down. Me have tell the whole of them, say that me nah bow down. That's why mama where they get me from the cat and me. Papa where they get me from the cat and me. Me tell them mama where they get me from the cat and me. Papa where they get me from the cat and me. Say another me. No me nah suck, no pussy say another me. No me nah fuck, nobody say another me. Nah put me mouth on that, no lady say another me. Nah bite no girl put on me tell you. All them a talk man a true them no. This a no science it a turn back blow me tell you. All them a talk man a true them no. This a no science it a turn back blow me wire. This a ladies and a gentleman. This year and 90 then come 91. They gonna be a one in a youth man. Who me born in a soft pussy man. And the man them we fucking bottom. And the woman when you man the man. Batty suit a fuck back batty man. Pussy a suck back suck pussy man. Suck out the teeth and go level one. Me want to see up the set of the gang. I want to see all the Kingstonian. If you know you no suck pussy man. And all the woman when on your man the man. Make me see when you no push up on the one. Hold on. Tie down again here man.
All of the masses them will love Ninjamann. Put your hand in the air and lick. Prop, prop, prop. Prop, prop. Watch me. All of the masses them will love Ninjamann. Put your hand in the air and lick a prom, prom. One more time now. You want some more? Say it one time. Watch me good. Ninjamann come good because I reckon like a brother should.
All right. Hold on. All bad boy police no clean on the gun now. And all original Dangog and bad boy. Straighten your gun in the air. Spit by out a nozzle. New gun for boss. Come gunman. Phenomenon one. Gonna listen to the dance. All original gunman, 42 gunman. Now look, make it a new gun for boss, new gun people. Tell the whole of them about the new gun people. Better than new gun people. New gun people. Tell the whole of them about the new gun people. You see, last time me give you 89 new gun people. Now the 90s one serious me get on new gun people. New gun people. Tell the whole of them about the new gun people. Say them 1,000 gun. 1,000 gun. Me say go tell the pussy them about me. 1,000 gun. Me tell them 1,000 gun. Hold on. Why me I tell us the police always want to kill me before I don't know? But me not make gun lyrics them because the lyrics them not kill nobody, yeah, Papa? Say good! Check out! You me serious? Bring them in the one. Now no listen to the Dan. Me and the Dan Gagan. Now hear me? Me got 1,000 gun. 1,000 gun. Me say, but tell me something about me. 1,000 gun. Me tell her no 1,000 gun. 1,000 gun. Me say, tell me what about me. 1,000 gun. You know, everybody in Jamaica, you know, ask Ninjamann why him house can't done. Me I got tell her the reason why my house can't done. Because me now build me house like a shape like a gun, like a M16 of a plant pan the ground. You know, step on the magazine with the foundation. Sit down, you know. When you go in the trigger, you feel look, you know, remember say in the bathroom, you turn in me 1,000 gun. 1,000 gun. Hold on. A 90s now, you know. A 90s, come sir. Derek, I want to tap, man. If I call you, that means I have a tap. Move in front of me. Come on, boy. Dan Gagan, my team, I don't time for wait. Been a man, one. Now, no listen to the dance. You hear me? What a rumor? What a rumor? You know me go in here and like a rumor say them. How about you want to tell you about the bomb? About the bomb can even destroy Jamaica and Paminas about that trouble, but this is something where I'm not going to tell it to you. Me got me nuclear weapon. Nuclear weapon. You know that can't fight war down in England. Me got me nuclear weapon. Nuclear weapon. If you come with your bomb and destroy you, man, you know say me are the youth where used to fight World War I. You know say hand grenade me give to soldier man. You see the thing with them called dynamite man. I hit me take and get to the blasted fisherman. Making go dynamite snap and kill the French man. Come back road and just tell everyone and tell them one well about. Come again here, man. Defensive there. Me no know more here, man.
Tape man, you have enough for the cassette. Massive, you have enough for Ninja. What the article done? Who is the article done? If you love him, say go on. You want more, say go on. One more time, go on. Kingston 11 is where he's from. Rocket Ninja.
Man, if you come from the south and I run up your mouth, I try to this the dana guy, lick up on your mouth, I'm the gargan. And none of me understand, say me the gargan. I'm the number one. And if you come from the west and you go on like you're the best, I try to this the dana guy, kick off your face, I'm the gargan. And none of me understand, me ball look on me face, I know me tan. Say from you see me a dan gargan, ball look on me face, I know me tan. Me want to hear all this Spanish sound gang. Send caption man, put up your one. Me want to see all the Kingstonian. We want the young of the jungle. This man, Bangalore, what we say on no one, Remise and the Tibali gang, Malroad and to white from the one, jump around your article down, as long as you never suck out the bottom, push up your one, your man, the man, me hold on. Hold on, man. You can't just jump on this tune yourself. Wait, hear this? I hear them talking about Manadan. Well, all labor right and PNP, you know, are done. And I'm the teacher for all Dan, because I give my Dans good education. That's why I become the Dan Gargan. And We say where there's a stripe to be put on. No all done it, big up on the chest. So, come Derek. Been a me no one. Now no listen this you one. Now look, me tell a man a done and a woman a done it. Come now done it, me want you big up in your chest. Me tell a man a done and a woman a done it. Come now done it, me want you big up in your chest. Come done it. And you make the dance pants press. Come done it. And you make the dance shirt press. Come done it. And you press out all the jacket and press. Come done it. And you make the dance look just. Me tell a man a done and a woman a done it. Come now done it, me want. But look at me, powder pop, y'all push up on the one town, powder pop, it tell them powder pop, check out on the one. Marga, y'all come back, y'all la mampi, That's enough for me story. After me, no family, yes, of the trace, nobody me no business if you believe in Marky, because Marky Belly is something, you see me say, that is a sign up for pregnancy, and when a young woman bring a young picnic, that is the backbone, the strength, and the damn energy of Jamaica, which is my country. Me telling them powder pop, powder. Me gone again, yeah, man.
Move from here, move from here. Love Ninjamann ball, move from here. Move from here, move from here. If you love Ninjamann ball, watch yourself a ninja. Watch yourself a ninja in Border Clash 1990. Move from here. Come Ninjamann, the more you sing move from here.
One job. Yeah, hear me, Derek? Turn them out, turn them out. Hear me, young man, no one not turn. Maybe I'm gonna turn them out, turn them out. Hear every word when Ninjamann a shock out, you know. Take for instance, when you come up on the park, come shock out and listen to every word me talk out. You meet a girl and you and her reason out sentimental word when you stop fly out of your mouth, you know. You can't go in the moon, go sleep out, and in the night you sex around there, they are cool out, you know. The girl turn you over and stretch you out and take a tin of milk and start chewing you all about. And when you run down the neighbor, take a tongue and lick it out. Don't use your fucking foot and kick the young girl. Me telling them, turn them out, turn them. We got a new way because tell the whole of them about the new way because better than a new way because tell the whole of them you know them Papa Wall, tell them come kiss out me Papa Wall, tell them come kiss out me Papa Wall, you know them go on like say them a score goal and them lick out man balls and them man battle wall. Come and dance all but them chill your soul, me say them tongue in a young grass and know them hole, me tell them me Papa Wall. When you hear me talking about Papa Wall, and things like Papa Wall, I want simple wall, you know. Some big shit come out of Papa Wall and some stinking part come out of Papa Wall. Some man push them down in a Papa Wall again. Yeah, hear me? Me tell you all about the bud and send up them a done a van. All about the bud and they better act Ninjamann over done. Talking about the article done, what can I done? Talking about the Kingston, what can I done? Talking about the St. Catherine, man, me want all article done, put up them on. What can I done when I pop no batam? What can I done when on your man the woman? Yeah, hear me, man. Hold on, man. Tell me something now. Long for see me, sir? Uno really long for see me? Uno why hear me get mad? I wanna hear you say ninja. I wanna hear you say ninja. Cause I'll never DJ for anyone like our DJ for Kingston and St. Catherine PV people. Let me hear you say ninja. Alright, man. You give me a tune there. Just give me a tune there. I'm going to mash you up like Gregory, you know. The different thing about the crab house, you know, mama and papa. hold it down, hold it me, you know. Yeah, hear me? You know I may not be familiar with your crab louse, but I do know how to use Gitoso and kill it. You know your crab louse biting style like the one in your head too, but I do know how to use Gitoso and kill you. Yeah, hear me? I can just kill them and done. Kill them and done. You know me, no time for waste. Me just go kill them and done. Me tell you no, kill them and done. Kill them and done. Me say me no time for waste. You know, say kill them and done. You know, me hear them say bad a clash. You know me know. See all the DJ them a run up and come. You know them better type of pass because the Dan Gargan come. Gold teeth front teeth, gold teeth Dan Gargan. You know and they put no. Ever testing and no nose me clean me gun me cause. You know do the talking, me do the killing. You know the gun carrying, and me do the gun busting. You know do the fire. Bomb button. We gone here, man.
The fact is he has to make a move from here and go someplace else. But I'd like to ask you one more time if you think you got enough of the ninja. Better than Commander, rougher than Rambo, did you get enough of the ninja? I sound along for him. So where you for ninja? You have to give me a double proper prom prom. Proper prom 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 prom. Ninja. Them love you on the stretch drive.
Hold on there. Silent, silent. When me a drink, then call it cream soda. Eh? That's why I drink cream soda because I can't see anything when in there. Anyway. Go all firehouse crew no set good. Mall Road and Tower Hill, Catburn Pen. Spanish Town, me don't know where whole I no lane them, I no avenue them, but big up you know what I mean, chess. Over Portmore, Waterford and Bassettport and Bridgeport and all of them port down the set good. My Mali. Turn your sleep with it, fam people. Anyway. Come here, man. Come here, man. You have some, hold on. You have some boy nowadays, you know. Then go around and lick a one Wilbur script and lick call him bass pipe and drink call him white rum and come out the road and start all him car from outside and lick down people before and go in. Just the other day, one of them killed my virgin baby mother, you know, Papa. Come here. We don't like the hard drugs business, but let me tell you something. Youth and youth. If you lick your bass pipe, you better know how to control yourself. And if you lick your one ball, you better know how to control yourself. And if you drink your white rum, you better know how to control yourself. Because junk and drive. Warning all them drive away at junk and drive. Me tell them junk and drive. Warning them drive away at junk and drive. You know, when we say at my woodpecker the other night after my virgin baby mother, this I walk on the right. You know, I chop man I come like say my drive car and lick the girl pick me and twist her tripe her turn from back and turn her front tonight and me ball out. Jesus Christ, me telling them. Hold on there. I wish liquor.
Wagwan ENT.
Hey boy, you're not no manners. Because you talk and it's a new one now. Come out, boy. Listen me fascists. Me tell you not this they done. Hear me, youth man, about that this did, and you see me, a lyrics factory me, only one. As you say a word, me make a brand new song. You see, if you come and talk about the dan, run out of lyrics, God know you're wrong. Your tongue to that twist and pass never time because you know some Ninjamann a dan gargan man. Me tell this the dan, this the dan. Boy, no mell around and come, this the dan. Me tell you not this the dan, this the dan. Send me as much DJ as you can and see if they can chat it like the Ninjamann. I give it more than no bargain for. Yes, me tell you no one more than no bargain for. Come let me tell you, me take, come make me jump around, make me move as we can, make me listen to the great Ninjamann. And make me go down in a style and pajana. I want to know that you damn crazy one. Bout the dan road the lyrics man. Me say, oh, you should have go back to your parents, Jaman, and go live by your fatherland. You know say you know no qualification. You is a gracious characters and mendicant. I won't no one to no one damn dog. And once again, me say goodbye me enemy and goodbye my friend. Me now say no more. Me finish up with them. Goodbye, Papa.
The applause he gets is the applause he deserves. Would you register your reaction one time with a round of applause, please? There are performances, and there are performances, but then out of those, you have great performances. Which category would you put Ninjamann? Would you say that was a great performance? Lick 2 shot for Ninja one more time. St. Catherine Massive, he's not from your town, but lick 2 shot nonetheless. Kingston 11 and all of Kingston City, register your reaction with 2 shot. Proud? Now if we ask you to tally, lady in black, I say you can jump. What the hell if you were lady in red? Okay, right now we'd like to find out if with that performance of Ninjamann, Kingston is now ahead in Border Clash 1990. St. Catherine Massive was to ask it, but Kingston Massive, what you said? Well, if you don't think with that performance of Ninjamann, Kingston surpassed St. Catherine Massive, what do you say? Respect to Sister Pam out in New Jersey. Nice to have your company, especially on a night like tonight. Keith Garvin, my brethren, Simone and Dean. Hi to Pat up front. Much respect and common decency. Would you please give Sajid a round of applause, please? Hard-working, Jammy Award-winning, article done for decades. Sagittarius, enough.
Hold it. Now hear this. Them say me done every year, them say me done. But yet still the man them who them say a shock and I mash up the place don't like to come after me. Wonder why? Anytime we come and show them run come up before me. And yet still them say them a run things. Well, you hear me now? Whether you come from Kingston or St. Catching me no response, me come for lyrics. I'm going to turn on the heat now. Oh Lord of mercy. Everybody. I want you to listen to the lyrics here. Jesus Christ. Watch me. Hit me. Turn on the heat, I come for turn on the heat. Tell the whole of them I come for turn on the heat. Yeah. Turn on the heat, I come for turn on the heat. Tell the whole of them I come for turn on the heat. Let's say 3 DJ are run thing this year. Tiger, Shabarangs and Ninjamann. But never underestimate the champion. Come in not just come me a foundation. A lead on a fine but the race long. We look for Admiral in the long furlong. What they? Turn on the heat, me come for turn on the heat. Tell the whole of them I come for turn on the heat. Yeah. Turn on the heat, me come for turn on the heat. The whole of them me come for turn on the heat. The lyrics me go use and turn on the heat. I show the whole of them say me knocking teeth. Say agony and pain on the DJ feed. So send for the cover, me say send for the read. Hey, turn on the heat, me come for turn on the heat. The whole of them me come for turn on the heat. Yeah, turn on the heat, me come for turn on the heat. The whole of them me come for turn on the heat. When it come to lyrics, me have them plenty. Me have it in a me Lord for me a baby. Me on me check me live and me say I'm making it count the people. Everybody listen to me. Me sit down on the rhythm, me say well properly. And everybody come, them a feel listen to me. Come, turn on the heat, me come for turn on the heat. Hello, all of them, me come for turn on the heat. Yeah, turn on the heat, me come for turn on the heat. Hello, all of them, me come for turn on the heat. They say, 3DJ run thing this year. Tiger, Shabarangs and Ninjamann. But never underestimate the champion. I mean, not just come me a foundation. I lead on a fine, but the race long. Look for Admiral in the last furlong. What is it? Turn on the heat, me come for turn on the heat. Hello, all of them, me come for turn on the heat. Yeah, turn on the heat, me come for turn on the heat. Hello, all of them, me come for stop it. Yeah, man. I just warm me, I get warm, you know, kind of so we do things, you know, we don't ramp. Now hear me. It's here all who them a talk about run this and run that. And me are the original nothing. Me is the original. Oh God. Now hear me now. I want them to follow me. Watch me. I say me a feel night. Oh. I say me a feel. Stop it. Now hold it. I saw me working. I'm in a compass stage and make nice for 3 minutes and then die out in the middle. I take time and get things warm. Come on it. Murder man. Murder man. We don't want it. Oh God. Jesus Christ. Watch me. I say me a feel night toy. I say me a feel night toy. I me say anything I want. Me a feel night. I me say anything I want. Me a feel night. So come. I am a nuffy original nuffy sing. I am a nuffy original nuffy sing. I am a nuffy original nuffy. And anything I want. Me a feel night. Any tune them a do. Me a feel night. Any skank them a make. Me a feel night. Any wine them a wine. Me a feel night. And any choke them a choke. Me a feel night. Bigger. I am. Stop it. How can I? Don't get me warm. Oh God. I want to there do. Sit down on people money. Me don't know. I say me a feel night toy. I say me a feel night toy. I me say anything I want. I me say anything I want. Because I am a nuffy, original nuffy sing. I am a nuffy, original nuffy. And anything I want, me a feel night. Any tune them a do, me a feel night. Any song them a sing, me a feel night. Any skank them a skank, me a feel night. Any wine them a wine, me a feel night. And any choke them a choke, me a feel night. Because I am a nuffy, original nuffy sing. I am a nuffy, original nuffy come. I am a nuffy, original nuffy sing. I am a nuffy, original nuffy. When it comes to lyrics, yes, me have the factory. Count the people. Come listen me, between me, yes, from me a baby. They come to lyrics, Lord, 90. Everybody, Lord, if you come follow me. Everybody, yes, I'm if you come Jamaica. I am a nuffy, original nuffy sing. I am a nuffy, original. I say me a feel night toy. I say me a feel night toy. I me say anything I want. I me say anything I want. Anything I want. I me say anything I want. Any wine them a wine. I any choke them a choke. I any con them a con. And any lyrics them a chat. And any show them a keep. And if I belly them a talk about. Because I am a nuffy, original nuffy sing. I am a nuffy. I am a nuffy, original nuffy sing. I am a stop it. Watch me now. Hold on. You see me now? I'm on it now. I mean, don't come here picking teeth and a long thing with you. I come for work. So you hear me now? All of the people that were bad-minded, we can't take on this year now, no year. All bad-minded people, come. All the lazy people sit down here, so. May I say for no get up? Oh God, get up. When I say the Admiral there, get up. Watch me. In the air. Picking this away, I got picking it, and all them I do, them can't stop me. God picking this away, I got picking it, and all help me sing now. But take your mind off away, take your mind off mix me, and all them I do, them can't stop me. Mind off away, them mind off away, and all them I do, them can't stop me. Yeah, I want to hear it from the Kingston posse, I want to hear it from the St. Catherine posse, I want to hear it from all the way. Admiral man, I chop this side, me I got picking it, I got picking it. All them I do, Lord, them can't stop me. God picking it. All them I do, them can't stop. What do? Run as a tongue man and knock out tree and count the people. Stop it. Stop it. How them? Stop it. How them say me do? Done? What them say me do? Me done? For them a talk about the Admiral done. Give them an inch and them take a yard. Give them a yard and them take a mile. Once a man, twice a child. Everything is just for a while, but it seems like total destruction, the only solution. Ain't no use, none of them can stop me now. How are you know? Ain't no use, none of them can stop me now. Lord, for them a talk about the Admiral done. For them a talk about the Admiral. What is it? For them a talk about the Admiral done. For them a talk about the Admiral done. Every new DJ come and put him against me. Every new DJ come and put him against me. You remember when them say Tiger better than me? You remember when them say Switchy better than me? The whole of them gone and them left me. Turn up and no sit down, me sit down. What me a walk and no run, me a run. But give them an inch and them take a yard. Give them a yard and them take a mile. Once a man, twice a child. Everything is just for a while, but it seems like total destruction, the only solution. Patang, ain't no use. None of them can stop me now. Patang, ain't no use. None of them can. Barney, stop it, Barney, stop it. Hear me now. Me no come here for idle. Me come here for walk. And walk I shall walk. Come. Hey, bro. What's going on, man? You don't know what's Admiral there. Hear me now. This is a new brand slang, chubby. This is the thing I want to understand. A new brand slang, chubby. This is the thing I want. Hear me now. And my pill in the dance and everybody ball. Oh, in the ear and everybody ball. Oh, in the love it.
The Big Belly Man was here. Register your reaction and say more if you want more. Did you hear a song called Science? Who you want? From Waterhouse, here comes Admiral Bailey.
Voila, Barney, do you hear me now? People, a new lyrics are good here now. Yeah, man. New brand slang from new brand that time then. Different thing we're talking about now. Yeah? Still want it? No, not yet. Me have one fear now. When you hear this, you will love it. Voila. Make that, you want to hold your eyes. Voila, man. No, man. Voila, no. Shh. You see a while ago I go on lyrics. Name God picking it. And everybody I try to stop with. Well, you have some people now. Boy, me I tell you them red eye bad. Everything you have them wanted to. So I have a question for you ask them. I want to make them red eye, son. Come! Oh God! 20 Park Road. Jesus Christ! Watch me now. We make you red eyes, so we make you red eyes, so everything you see me read, you want to make you red eyes, so we make you red eyes, so everything you see me read, you want to see me with me house and you want house too, see me with me car and you want car too, see me with me bike and you want bike too, see me with me girl and you want me girl too, wine me girl and you want wine her too, make you red eyes, so we make you red eyes, so everything you see me read, you want to make you red eyes, so we make you red eyes, so everything you see me read, you want to, but all of the people who no bad minded. Well, if you wanna say yeah, all of the people who no bad minded. Well, if you wanna say yeah, you know feel ready eye, you know feel pink eye, you know feel blue eye, you know feel yellow eye, you know feel orange eye, you know feel black eye, you know feel no eye, you know feel no eye. We make you red eyes, we make you red eyes. Everything you see me with, you want to make you red eyes, we make you red eyes. Everything you see me with, you want to see me with me young son, you want house too. See me with me car and you want car too. Me with me bike and you want bike too. Me with me girl and you want me girl too. I saw me wine and you want winer too. I saw me chucker and you want chucker too. You red eyes, we make you red eyes. Everything you see me with, you want to make you red eyes, we make you red eyes. Everything you see me with, you want to, but all of the people who no bad minded. Well, if you wanna say yeah, all of the people who no bad minded. Well, if you wanna say yeah, we make you red eyes, we make you red eyes. Everything you see me with, you want to make you red eyes, we make you red eyes. Everything you, hold it, Barney. Will you hear me now? Hear me now. I have a next lyrics for you now. You see that one, yeah? The other day when I mash up my car, I'll give you one name, Science. But you never know them mash up the bike too. I lick out my shoulder, yeah, and broke my little finger. And I have a new one. This one name, Hold Your Heil. Listen. Oh God, all over your walker, Jesus Christ. Hear that? In there, hold your heil, hold your heil. In the good work, stop fling, hold your heil. Come, hold your heil, hold your heil. But tell you all of them to stop fling, hold your heil. It was a Thursday night about 9:30. Up Olympic way me and do 90. And dreadlocks come out of the road pan me. Touch the front brakes, but it couldn't help me. Kid to Pupali kind up down a public. Everybody shout out my physical fit. The dread catch him straight, man, him catch him panic. Licking a gear and a try to exit. Me bridging over yonder cocky matic and say, Dread, you do that, you see a casket. And you know, sister, yeah, the Admiral Bailey. Come over here, so make we talk about it. Come, hold your heil, hold your heil. Stop it, man, stop it. Hey, Wally, man. You see me? I like to hear the word done. Anytime them say me done, it's like 5, 6 million more lyrics come. King James, you don't tell them, say I have some tunes sit down the me. Just a wait, man. Oh God, man. Come, man. This is one of them, man. Oh God. King James, Mumaris. Lord of mercy. All the way to Park Road. Lord. Listen. Hold your heil. Hold your heil. In the good work, stop fling over your heil. Come, hold your heil, hold your heil. But tell you all of them to stop fling over your heil. It was a Thursday night about 9:30. Hop Olympic way me and do 90. A dreadlocks come out of the road pan me. Touch the front brakes, but it couldn't help me. Kid to Pupali kind up down the public. Everybody shout out my physical fit. The dread catch him straight, man, him catch him panic. Licking a gear and a try to exit. Me bridging over yonder cocky matic and say, Dread, you do that, you see a casket. You know, say the Admiral Bailey. Come over here, so make we talk about it. Sing it. Hold your heil, hold your heil. In the good work, stop fling hold your heil. Come, hold your heil, hold your heil. But tell you all of them to stop fling. Barry G, you are saying I'm a science man. It's not science man, it's prayers man. You saw them burn up your car and left your Bible man. That for show you we are God bless man. Show we climb from the bottom and reach to the top. Who nigga man them wants to we drop. All them a try man them now go say that. Admiral is the cream for the crop. Sing, hold your heil, hold your heil. In the good work, stop fling hold your heil. Come, hold your heil, hold your heil. But tell all of them to stop. Hear me now. Can't say don't cast spirit in me. And can't turn up the cast spirit in me. Have it, turn me roll cast spirit in me. And can't say don't be cast spirit in me. Turn me roll cast spirit in me. Watch bubbles a laugh off of me. Watch me talk about spirit in me. Play the rhythm, and the people them say, come, can't sit down because spirit in me. Can't turn up because spirit in me. Can't sit down because spirit in me. Bubba, can't turn up because very good time. Me come to Jamaica, celebrity. Come up your dancer, your party. Come the people listen to me. John Miller is intelligent. Hold your high, hold your high. In the good work, stop fling over your high. Come, hold your high, hold your high. I tell you all of them to stop fling over. It was a Thursday night about 9:30. I pull him away me and do 90. Dreadlocks come out of the road on me. The front brakes, but it couldn't help me. Yes, Richie and a fine style, eh? Ram down to town man. Hey, Wally there. I have one more lyrics for you. That one I name your body good. All of the girls them now. I'm going to give this one a left and this one your body good.
You never find a replacement for a brother who is a super duper star. Lyrics galore. Are you ready for the one and only Professor Nuts?
Could I have a word for myself? What a pretty place. Yes. It's the first from this place, Philip. I come here, not even for a ride. With them only for swing song about the place. I love it. It's beautiful. Well, anyway, I don't know when me come, is arms house and joke. Cause me come to make you enjoy yourself to wrong. Derek, I'm not going to join no card for you tonight, but anyway, a lavish night tonight. Now this lyrics is a new lyrics. No, me soon come out this. When me ready, me go this. Nobody tell me when to go this. You understand me? No, I won't touch Ninjamann. Not because I'm a St. Catherine DJ. Now all Portmore people, let me see you. Ross, the judges. The majority. Now let me see the town passes. But this is half and half business. No. Independent City, Miro. Waterford, Miro. Brayton, Miro. Portmore have 11 constituencies and I rule them. Now this lyrics is a new lyrics and I'm gonna teach you guys how to check woman in a new way. Just give me one gun in a bag with him low. Yes. All the girls, I want you to hear this lyrics because this is a new way of checking girls. Love her now. Guess what? In a wedding, me go down a Clarendon. When me look, me see a piece of woman. She make me walk and guess bounce me to buck me and to dog and go lick up in a garbage pan. One of my friends shout, you a madman. You don't know who a fear husband. You know Big John we killed the 10 man box down 40 cow and them only find one. Me ball out. Me don't care of them. Oh, no cool, no? You're not done. Derek, you're my brethren, you know. I know you know the mix. You don't have to work around it. You don't sit down so. Derek, pay attention. Sir! Kill up. Again. In a way, you may go down a Clarendon. When me look, me see a piece of woman, she make me walk and gaze, bounce me to buck me and to dog and go lick up in a garbage pan. One of my friends shout, you a madman? You don't know who a fear husband. You don't know a Big John we killed the 10 man box down 40 cow and them only find one. Me ball out, me don't care of them. This a must a fatal attraction. Cause anyway me see her again, hear me man, when me done with her, she must forget Big John. Once on the morning, bright and early, me get up and say, yes, me, I go run and see. When me look across the room, guess what I see? The same pretty girl does a muggle palm me. Yeah, me no in me mind, me have to get she. If she a dog, me bound for catch flea. Me brush off my hand and brush off my knee and go over to her and count 1, 2, 3. I say, my God, what a man wicked is. She say, oh, me say your husband the gaga spree and left you have to walk and kill yourself. Him no say you are 100% pedigree. Baby, you need a room. You're like. One man against the world. I don't know.
Lyrics do it ahead. Me say, me not have to touch nobody, man. Me have too much lyrics. Me not have to touch no man. Me not touch man. Me touch woman. Me say, me brush off my hand, me brush off my knee, and go over to her and count 1, 2, 3 and say, my God, what a man wicked is. She said, oh, me say your husband be gone spree and left you have to walk and kill yourself. Him not say you are 100% pedigree. Baby, you need a room, you like me if you dust it down and put your palm dresser like a figure to the big Sunday. Chill out. Me not done yet. How I do that? Me I'm going at it again. Long me check the woman, no man. This, me say, them are done and them no know if you check woman. This is the part 2, that was the part 1. Them are done and them no know if you check woman. This is the part 2, that was the part 1. Me say, me brush off my hand, me brush off my knee, and go over to her and count 1, 2, 3 and say, my God, what a man wicked is. She said, oh, me say your husband be gone spree and left you have to walk and kill yourself. Him not say you are 100% pedigree. Baby, you need a room, you like me if you dust it down and put your palm dresser like a figure. See the big Sunday, you should all down and see a muggle in a French cut on the almond tree. Me say she blush and me here. She say me say yes baby love, when lost you feel free. Make her help you carry the bag. And I hope you agree for make we discuss matters over 2 cup of tea. In our house, me sit down in the sea. Little after that, she start drink the tea. She get up, lock the door with the key. Me hand start shake. Don't mention me name. Here I know, oh you're so nervous man. Me say no, I know that. What about your husband? She say, oh Big John, him gonna came man. And I think him I go left from this I go to England. When she says so me heart go down bam. Rasta no wait, ease the tension. Little after that she start rub down my hand. Me just fling when my pants don't even know where it land. In the bed now what time for action. Go pant up her figure make connection. As me go so figure around the door now. Bam bam when she shout, who is it? The vice a Big John Jesus. Cha. Alex are too tough for me. Now make the side stay till another stage show, yeah. Listen, I make the rest of the lyrics stay for another. You know pretty, it all a seat me. Get out of here. Anyway. Watch me, man. When I want to change lyrics, I change them fast. What? No, don't be disappointed. This lyrics is very good. Don't be disappointed. Everybody want to hear a lyrics. I am so confused. Well, okay. People. This lyrics, it's for the girls. Woman, man biggest problem. No matter how you try to please them. Cha, woman, man biggest problem. But no yards you can't beat them. In a way me did have problem. Never have nobody to help me solve them. Ride me under 50, go check Dr. Ken. You know the whole psychiatrist out. You rent a good pen now. You take me for King Everland Tiger them. House, I rent me up here from me. No man, I don't destroy this nobody man. I just lyrics, you know. A nice is can Tiger have a bridge, but I just lyrics. And I don't care business. Respect. Me not this nobody. Me love every entertainer, but I just lyrics. Everybody know that already. Don't you know? Everybody don't know that. So I just lyrics all over. Anyway, me say, start it over again. So now I hear the rest about woman. All right. Me say, woman, man biggest problem. No matter how you try to please them, woman, man biggest problem. Bad no yards, you can't even beat them. In our day, me did have problem. Never have nobody to help me solve them. Ride me under 50, go check Dr. Ken. You know the old psychiatrist out of me a pen. When him sight me, I come him say, Ross, you again. Me say, yes, Dr. Ken, me have a dirty problem. Him say, alright, sit down, I make me question you. Then him back out a book and a pen. Answer, is it money? Me say, money and a for me problem. You forget, say me name, me say, me no love spend. Food, tap your fat. Try again, me collarbone my show, but me no hungry, my friend. Clothes. But kiss me open, you know I said to me, we have to my pajama them. Joey, that I no problem. Me and we a gold ring from me big two of them. Jokes, you rent no gold pen, now you take me for King Everland, Tiger them. House, I rent me a pay from me a 10, and the woman give me notice you know from when. Car, that I no problem. Me no want no car, me under 50 done I'm at them. Woman, wait a little bit, say that again. Then if you did know, make you never say so, then the woman, man, biggest problem. In a me house one day me sit down. I watch TV through my video just come. As me get up and I head for piece, I drive on the door knock, crack a tang tang. Bong bong. Me say, that. If I say win some, me say, if you want half pint or you one cup. She say, you think me a king teeth or a joke me a run? Come for the pick, me lump sum. Me fly out the door fast and say, ma, I never run away when you did live. Yeah, you just pick up your belly, you close them out. Go and live with this old dirty teeth in brother. She say, you can't go and talk, money me come for. 2 weeks the picking in on the I'm not enough. Me say, wait, now you said they make you $1,000. She said, $1,000 that done at the hairdresser. We said, Jesus Christ, I have mind the baby. She said, $1,000 that a monkey money. Me say, achoo, he look like you are the monkey. So me I got up the monkey money if you go look good. What are we at now? Better joke than that. Something wrong with me tonight. Me kind of half mad, you know. Watch me. I must say the beer I'm mad me. Cause from night about 11 orange juice me drink and junk. Mr. People, be careful how you poop before the night done. You might end up with a body come down. Be careful how you poop before the night done. You might end up with a... Me get a checkup from a doctor. Regular. Yes, I love that thought. Again, I want them people to are quiet. Me get a checkup from a doctor. Regular. For me body no end up in a sick disaster. Miniam. Yam and banana, fish and flour. Aki. Parichi give me body no stamina. Diarrhea go fit it. Me take a milk powder. Miniam 11 jackfruit and 10 gizzard. Me drink. Drink water milk and yam 20 bulla. And boom. Cool no massa. Make a try remember how when that happened. Year before last round 7:10. Me the day now a minivan full of people. Sit down at the back. Very comfortable. After me put me the kind of frightened because me feel something but me never too certain if the seat did what I do me do what I... You know, lavish. And I don't want to laugh from you. You know? Yeah. Not leave till the morning. Suppose me want to sleep up. Then cool down. Alright, me say. Again. Me get a checkup from a doctor. Regular, for me body no end up in a sick disaster. Miniam, yam and banana, fish and flour. Aki, porridge give me body no stamina. Diarrhea go fit take the sick milk powder. Miniam 11 jackfruit and 10 gizzard. Me drink, drink water milk and yam 20 bulla and poop. Cool no massa. Make a try remember when that happened. Year before last, round 7:10. Me the day in our minivan full of people. Sit down at the back, very comfortable. After me put me the kind of frightened because me feel something but me never too certain if the seat did wetter I do me do but all me know me sit down in or something. One girl where they beside me, they look and say, me look on her and say, young lady want me. She said, somebody poop. Me say, mine no you no poop all the way like a no uno. Yes. come to enjoy myself. See it? So, better only just laugh for the money and go home feeling good. God no. God no. You know, too much badness and the whole heap of violent talk, we can't accept it. Better you feel good going home with your heart contented. Say, yes, I enjoy my $60. Again. Oh no, I hear the rest? Alright. Again. One girl where they beside me, they look and say, me look pan around and say, young lady, want me. She said, somebody talk. Me say, mine no yo. Uno pupa all the while and galang like no uno. Same time me hear a old man say, uno gas smell good, uno know what's not working. Talk no smell, so you hear me people? This somebody were fat supposed to shit too. What? Let me finish shit. All right. Again. One girl right there beside me, they look and say, me look pan around and say, young lady, what? She said, somebody poop. Me say, mine no yo. Uno poop all the while and galang like no uno. Same time me hear a old man say, uno can't smell good, uno knows no working. Poop no smell, so you hear me people? This summary we fat supposed to shit too. One dread did sit down with a piece of bamboo, hear a man. Search the dread him did I eat mango. The dread lick him with a bag and say, what up with the pie? You know, search on yourself and you know, have batty too. Finish it. All right. You wait. Again, continue from there. One dread did sit down with a piece of bamboo, hear a man. Search the dread him did a heat mango. The dread lick him with a bag and say, what up with the pie? You no search on yourself, you no have batty too. Everybody get up and start to argue and say, we must find out who and kill him with beating. They make sure ball out. Nigga people. Them always at the pin and dog the road. We say, kill her before the night dog. They might end up with a body come. Go now. Not to be sure, to be more precise, full. I never really believe that me shit to brown bull till when me go so and feel me turly in a hole. The two side puff to ass my pants full. So, cool no man, better joke than that. Me did to come off up at the next stop. Me may look full, but me are no idiot. And when the bus reach me stop, me still sit down and a chat. The doctor know me where walk on the bus. He must say, "One, give me way." I'm gonna say, "What me not?" Now you start this. Me say, "Wait, your head boss. You forget to that me live up at the bus serving us." Me say, "Me give me know your book before the night." You know me that. The girl right there beside me, she come in light scout. Just a dig up and a pull up and a look all about. She look at me and we a start shove up her mouth. Hear me know in my mind one day she find out. So said, so done. Me see when she bow and look down at my foot and say, kiss me bull cow. One stop driver let me off now. This a brother here shit up the bus to blow out. She cool now. Go ahead now. She go look for my shoes, it's like she confused. Me ask her she love the style. She ball move, then she call one man and say, have me excuse sir, look at that and say if you shit that her shoes. The man start laugh, then me hear him say, man you shit up yourself. Me say move and go away, you're too fast and me didn't be the governor there when the bus up in a patrol, me did that.
What a piece of shit. Who you want? You want some more? Shout it out. Only one professor in the reggae music fraternity. Do you need some more Professor Nuts? Shout it out. Nuts.
People, me go around there, some about 352,000 man. Shoot me back up there so me can't pass. Easterbun? You want to hear about Easterbun? Sure. That's how me stay now. Me keep it. I am a professor. I keep everyone out in suspension. This is like a college. When you come to the next stage show, you hear the rest of that purlong. Tap on a fart and got confidence. Me say, finish it one. Yeah, chat for criminal. Hear this. Easterbun. Me say, nobody begs because they will we a friend and me no want to entertain a piece not of this them. Nobody begs because they will we a friend, me no want to entertain a piece of me of this. It's about me did go buy and make with piece of cheese. Then me change the mind and say chop for bun and cheese. Me take the money buy half pint of red peas and go hold a piece of dog meat from General Treats. Nobody never knows say me boss half kitchen. Only son alone me tell us me good bread drink. Now them brought me kitchen and take away me dumpling and 2 pot of dog soup to ras. No must lecturer stand up na the middle of a crow. Josie Wheel and Ninjamann catch up and attack low. Josie Wheel fling a stone me check say Ninjamann dead. When me look lecturer come and say a man must be no matter the because they will we have me no wanna entertain a piece not this. Nobody begs God they will we have me no wanna enter. Josie Wheel, we love him to the bone. Only him can make me laugh till we lay down and moan. When him and Ninjamann did catch up down a from, him a run up and down and a look for big stone. Him fly through the crowd and make a ratted push. I look a big stone for lick Ninjamann coof. Him sight a black stone, he chop under one bush. And when him dip and come up to us, no one push. Chop! Nobody begs because they will we have friend and me no wanna entertain a piece not a this. They don't. Nobody begs because they will we have friend. Me no wanna entertain a piece. Motor Baruka, I'm my brethren. Never wear shoes yet to I hear my sister. When the sun melt the road and the asphalt touching my side, Motor Baruka and I want Chris Viking. Him buck up Stitchy last week, I made a broke. I said, Stitchy, I really don't like how you look. Stitchy said, lad, this is a shoe that quiz me push. But I said, man, wear your size or what? Barefoot. So, nobody begs because they will we are friend. Me no wanna entertain a piece not a this. Them, nobody begs because they will we are friend. Me no wanna entertain a piece. And my way, me buck little Lenny. Me demand upon him jaw like him a fret and worry. Me go over to him and me say, little Lenny, it's wrong to him. Say, boy, you want see? Me find the remedy when me did drop see. Me find the remedy for the running belly. Me use all condom for the gun in a baggy, but boy, the crab lost them harder than me. Nobody begs because they will we are. Nobody begs because they will we are friend. Me no want to entertain a piece of me this. I sure did that keep. Which part? No poor us. Every entertainer want me carry them na me bus. Na feel left some of them because them did too much. How much? 40,000 mash and brush. Them fly out of the bus so them reach a mate and I say, Mr. Wait, what is the problem? Only Johnny P alone never run after my friend. I couldn't hold it up no more off if I pan them. We go back na the bus and I travel same way. Shelly turn the ball out. Lord God, me not play. When I stop feeling me up coming, I love DJ. The first cup she cuff me here. Nah. Not office there around there, I feel up the woman. She give him 2 bags and a carrot. She slam make him jab and drop out in a yellow man. And when yellow pick it up and say, you know, land me want to. Nobody beg the God. People. So much people speaking at one time. Me I enjoy myself, me no know about to know, you know. I pay laugh with the band. Again, go now, like a joke. Guess what happened to me about a tree right there? With a little youth, so. Let me look upon him to right and can't be straight. I come and face it with me. No, me not discipline it yet. Me soon discipline it. I gotta tell you about this little youth. Just give me the reading. Let me just tell them about this. This little youth now. Me left out of me yard, me don't even know where me I go. Me reach half a tree, me stop it by a Kisco. A little youth come to me, dry and so and say, hey, Mr. D, what? They have money, no? Mr. Wait a little bit, youth, you can say, please. Him bend up him face like him jar them squeeze and say, come out, oh, please. The money me I look for buy a bun and cheese. Mr. Wait, you go to school, him say, no, I leave. Mr. How old is? And him tell me twice trees. Me say, that a 6 him say like how you believe. They have party money, me go party stays. Me boss out a laugh and ball. Me kick him now in bottom and drape him and say, man, I scare you through the world. Him say, you turn the boat, man, as a visa, you have to get figure away. You see, not all this. Down the man. Article respect Juicy, Waltham. Sister Gloria, Kimisha, Sister Rose and the crew. All the Portmore massive. London massive. When me come for discipline my body, now I can take out a condom. And I can put it on. You hear the girls them, yeah. I say, when I ask my private, get out of here. All the security massive. The Dongleman massive and the London crew respect you. Article, Independent City crew. And this is Drive massive. Anyway, the rest of the requests will come later because to remember everybody, believe it or not, it's an agony. I can discipline my body now and don't laugh off of me. Hey, girls! Nobody fret about the condition. Make me deal with the situation. Nobody fret about the condition. Nuts will deal with the situation. See that now? No come quick. Let me a knife, make me cut off it. It a put me in a trouble. Oh, now wait a little bit again. Take it out and get some ratted lick. Poof! I know the first you share my brown beat. Poof! You have to go round to Ross. You can't read. Everywhere you go, you left and a girl breathe. If you don't see no belly baby, did they set speed. Poof! I tell you breathe over Gavin meet South Barracumberland, Brayton and Westmead. Poof!
Walk 1
other
ENT.
Jubilee breastfeed and 11 in a belly that can say that them at eat. Poof! When you stand up for wait, you get bad. What is your last request? You're too mad. Talk loud make me hear about kiss me send up at the foot beg feet life it a beg for blow da 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 da. You forget say dead, you are got dead. Shh, quiet. Perfect silence. You forget say dead, you are got dead. What kind of idiot sitting that you the beg? You see your damn head all day, you them red, picky and nothing must say dread, you are dread. Poof! Give me a search, let me see where you are. You are act funny way like jumpy land crab. I want to sit up on the ass about case make out. You now go to school and you the walk with bag. If I go in the bag, you better pray to God. Let me see where you are before me get mad. What is oil, butter, bleach, flat, bully, beef, carbonated. Derek, I want to do them. This man about for Jimmy Bass come from night. Why? Get drunk. Got it. Get drunk, got it. Ladies and gentlemen, I am totally drunk by one sip of a restaurant beer. I don't care if it's nothing to me, a bad word clan. This lyrics is Jimmy Bascom. And when I'm drunk, I am miserably drunk. Hear this. When I am rocking poolside, that means I am Jimmy personality. I went straight to me. Bad boy Jimmy, me, bad boy Jimmy, me, bad boy Jimmy, me, bad boy Jimmy, me. I go tell you no, I sorry about my name Jimmy, me, live down so brown, so near country, drink white rum, gin, vodka, brandy. Anytime I'm joking, kinda maddy. About a week before the reggae sound splash, Mr. Jimmy there bar drink rum and squash. Drunk the brown dog and them bread smell ash. I stagger two side like a stunted wasp. I know Jimmy tan, cause I enough time we clash. Me know say Jimmy so well like a molly punash. But if in junk pack is me eyelash, that will tell you where they catch up under your GSV wash. Now, in a the bar, Mr. Jimmy go so Bob, dip for some cash, give away the mash. Me say, Jimmy boy, you're full of cash. Your boss man must give you a bonus. Him say me now for people your favorite riff. So the boss boy can come and come here and show me. Don't it laugh from last year. That's full. But tap that from down in a Christmas. Me say, wait the Jimmy, you're in a buy and say. Him say, what buy and sell, you think no cock shit. If I that with it for the moon, I dead to me swear. Me I better than that in a teeth and say, me say, I like that Jimmy. I don't know you are not teeth. You say your favorite. Me not see the surface on the teeth like a me because I line you Steve milk out the coffee. Me say, alright, they have to show me. If you not show me not believe him. Boy, make sure say you know shotty. I'll kill every cell nobody. Him say me thief 2 gas cylinders from January. Sell them to me in February. Thief them from me and go sell me. If me cook 2 times, well, I lucky. I me thief them from me and go sell them to Teddy. And them down at Teddy and right now I'm empty and me and go a sun slash and I come with me. Cause me have to make a money over to white. Fire! Derek, you know what to say? Them people are happy with lyrics them about. For one want get the park round about. The one I want dicks. The one. But me can't stand up whole night and chat whole lyrics. How you mean why? Why is that crooked letter? You want me to turn Oliver Pie up here today? Alright, now go now lyrics and cooler. Hear this. This is the driving. Dongle man driving. Don't know them type of driving that you don't talk about 14 gun and 28 gun bad boy. Them now want 92 gun driving them. I don't know, gun area driving, you don't get out of here. This are the driving, yes, this are the driving. International, this are the driving, yes, this are the driving. Now driving a car is pick up screwdriver, start to drive school till he drive the girl Matriga and a Bellevue. Oh, me cry! Come get it driving, run, come get it driving! International, come get it driving, run, come get it driving! When me did I learn to drive on the road, me sit down and me study about the road code. To make a mistake, I man can't afford to. Me soon go a examination board. A girl come check me, love me like food. I say, no, see, you know to drive my prelude. Me say, look, baby doll, me know to drive good. Not only that alone, me I know to drive Honda, Toyota, Granada, Ferrari, Asca, Olzefa, Toyota, Corolla, Buick, Skylark, Mazda, Hillman, Hunter. Shaka Zulu, tractor, bulldozer, Cobra, Lada, bumper car, and trooper, roller, aisle tanker, dumper, and trailer, just Land Rover, Bedford, and Grader, let's say kick up, chugga, and Ganaga. I want food, no. Me say, me can drive. Honda, Toyota, Granada, Ferrari, Asca, Olzefa, Toyota, Corolla, Buick, Skylark, Mazda, Hillman, Hunter, Shaka Zulu, tractor, bulldozer, Cobra, Lada, bumper car, and trooper, roller, aisle tanker, dumper, long trailer, just Land Rover, Bedford, and Grader, Betsy, kick up, chugga, and Gana, Katina, Barford, and Silica, Scooter, Marina, Avenger, Crusader, Clan, Coaster, Leland, Angler, Boom, Bogo, Karen. Hey, go get it driving, run, go get it driving. I drive one car, we don't know hear nothing yet. And the first car ever make me bust some more sweat. Me not talk about no little dibby starlet. But easy for drive and a play hard for get. The car me attack of them big turbojet, roughneck, 10-cylinder, 89 Chevrolet. When you prepare review, your body goes to 20, you have to lick a shot of brandy and burn a cigarette. The first time me drive that, they sitting there. So me know so powerful, me make sure the door shut. Hold the gear stick, a first gear, me select. Right at the side, Mark slippery when wet. Me no matter that at all, we go lick up down the wall, cause the bigger them come is the harder them fall. Me sink the pedal, me to start ball. Me say, shut up your night, this stall, you want start. The night she was making when I was driving. Everybody next door here when she come in. Me tap and come out, full of rubber gasoline, and then me jump in the back and go rape the engine. Get out of here!
I wonder, the next time you see Professor Nuts, he should be in cabaret. Lyrics galore, man. Wouldn't you agree? Please give him a rousing round of applause because he deserves it. He doesn't perform very often in Jamaica. I believe you me, it's the first I'm actually seeing him perform. And Professor Nuts, you're dynamite. The lion once ruled the jungle, but now the tiger. The tiger is on top. Put your hands together for the awesome tiger. Oh, you want tiger?
Somebody because you love tiger. Why don't because you love that?
Yeah. Lovely!
Okay! Now respect to all the crew. See? Jimmy? And you want it, Jamaica? And you want to was on? But then, take a yellow! Jump up and down! 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 Holy bunny, river, make a thing now. So that, and they're gonna sako. Kako batam, the macaco batam. God them knows it. What? Tiger talk. Tiger say, what on the mic on? No, oh, see. And settle. I'm boiling water in kettle. See. And settle. I'm boiling water in. What? Tiger talk. Tiger say, what on the mic on? No, for the coming around. I'm in a joy. Tiger, him on the bed. In a nata, we in a soul. Tiger, him on my gold in more. The girl, him was a call for me. Tell the tiger. What? Ball it on. Will I be one? Cause you know me. Will it? You have now. Some people that take word for joke, but not do it. See, be careful how you use your words then. See? That's how we do it. Now it's what I say. It's nice to be important. That's true, you know. I'm important. But it's more important to be nice. To be nice. Tiger. People, come on, tiger in the place, it's a bam bam. Go again. Tiger in the place, it's a bam bam. Come on, listen it. Put on the mic, it's a bam bam. Tiger in the place, it's a bam bam. Have a she goat, want a ram. She goat, want a ram. Me know the little girl and then call her palm. Don't business here, but what? Tiger in the place, it's a bam bam. Come now. I'm going to give you a medley. See? Hear me? You see this tune now? Dedicated to all guys. Now take a look. Hear it. I'll be your guiding star. My darling, cross my heart. I'll never leave you in the dark. Ooh, and I'll be your guide. On the top of the stairs. And when you lay me down to sleep, I'll be the answer to your prayer. Well on. It's been a noble, it's not hard with the life war. It's not hard with the life war. I love a man, real love a man. I love a man and a champion. I love a man, I real love a man. That you guys know and the lyrical that. You should have seen me. Driving me car. Wow. If people left them here on the top, you should have seen me. Riding me bike. Wow. I mean, the girl them nice. Tiger, you know, enough for some fight. Hypocrite. Parasite, fly by day or fish by night. Bunny might take a make them feel right. Why you know them? What? I'll be your guiding star.
Roll it! Now,
Now go on, do it for who can't make it.
Wagwan
Come on. Me have the
ENT.
pill for your sickness. Hi. Me have the pill for your sickness. Hi. Me have the pill for your sickness. Hi. Me have the pill for your whap, whap, whap. Me have the pill for your dance and move up your body. Me have the pill for your dance like somebody come. Energetic move, energetic tick. Energetic move, energetic. Whap on the steel, jump up like me. Whap on the tiger, make you feel like me. You feeling in your better check tiger. Can you know him of the pill, him of the remedy? Me have the pill for your sickness. Hi. Me have the pill for your sickness. Come on, Tiger, pan them eye. Why you know me, the people them lie. So you know Tiger don't deal with fight. We come in the people them side. Hold the mic, ram the dance, party, stage show. You know when we go up, people talk about me. I like the way the Tiger him come back. You know, the Tiger is the cream of the crop. And when we come inside the place, I'll be park. But then the Tiger, what? Me have the pill for your sickness. Hi, me have the pill for your sickness. We don't cure all your weakness. Now me will fix up your hand, I may fix up your toe, fix up your knee, I may fix up your head, fix up your mouth, make your ball out. What? Pill for your sickness. Hi, may have the pill for you. You are more.
Awesome, Tiger. Watch yourself on the jungle cat. Border Clash, what you say? If you're happy and you love it, shout more. Who you want? Tiger!
Both of them be gon' be ram dancer. Both of them be gon' be ram dancer. Me think I'm both of them be ram dancer. Both of them be gon' be ram dancer. No, when the Jamaica or a foreign land, it doesn't think about the microphone. Why you feel know me say the champion? If you want to dance from man over the pop, if I don't take about the cream of the crowd. Have me hot, me coming in and so. Both of them be gon' be ram dancer. Both of them be gon' be ram dancer. Take it up. Take it up. Take it up. You see this tune now? At the item put it at number 1, you know. I see tonight at Coney. Tiger say a special thanks to each and every one of the item. And don't bother take it for joke. See it? Because what? Tiger is a musician and a person. See it? And I man usually take drugs. Listen me, yeah man. That's why I play hide and seek. See, I'm used to take drugs. If I hadn't a nice personality, take me, you know. Don't be right. That me I say, man, you're too big to learn. See, so me thank you, see, and I won't do it again. Alright. No man is perfect. But me have to go a place of wow. You say Tiger get big. Alright, me and you want to find me. But you don't know where me there. You don't know. You know. Yeah. Alright. It's your skin out. What side? You don't know where me there. You don't know. You know. I don't see. You don't know where me there. I don't see. You be trying. Wow. I don't see. You don't know where me there. I don't think you will find me. What you say me? You will look for me. What you have to ring him that we can have money. That we can buy myself go down. Wow, I don't see. You don't know what me do. I don't see. You will try find me. What you say me get big? You will look for me. What you have to ring him that we can have money. That we can buy myself go down. Wow. I don't see. You don't know what me do. I don't see. You will try find me. Wow, I don't see. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, you go a Grove Road and go asking me. You come up on the park and you can't find me. No, round the back of the stage with me, my day. I round the back of the I hug me girlfriend around there. No, I don't see. You don't know where me there. I don't see. You be trying to find. Wow, they beside the mother. You don't know where me there. Oh, by yourself, you don't know where me there. I got in the place and then you know that. Cream off the crap and them know that. Who love you one because you love that. Tiger, you wham. Pull up your one because you love that. Sashi you play and you love that. Bailey Day and you love that. Ninja pass you love that. Skullman pass you love that. Who any one of them both you love that. All of the time them what because we must have one. Rumba boat and go tin. Cease and settle. I'm boiling water in kettle. Cease. Okay. Tiger again, along with Marvel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So my love is beautiful. It's not enough to satisfy emotion that I share between you. A winter love is cozy, girl. Need so much.
Wagwan ENT.